Assalamualaikum. I'm Sana from Sana Talks. Okay, so today video is about that how you can motivate yourself with your English. I'm going to share with you today the three secrets of that how you can motivate yourself with your English. Number one, you have to keep in mind that you have to do something practical. If you really want to speak English, do it today, right? Inspire yourself, right, by doing it. I mean, just thinking and not doing anything practical, that's just a wastage of time. Number two, what you have to do, you have to come up with a steady method, right? Go with the baby steps. Don't complicate your English, don't complicate yourself by difficult things. Just baby steps, right? Easy steps. Number three, what you have to do, you always have goals. When you have goals, there is no need of motivation. That goals definitely motivates you, right? So three secrets, keep in mind, act upon it. Subscribe my channel. Hope you like the video. If you like it, do comment, share, subscribe, and thank you. Allah Hafiz.